Baking soda can be used for heartburn. Heartburn is just when the pH level of your stomach is too high and you can feel acidic burn in your chest. If you drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved into 8 ounces of water, it can neutralize stomach acid and temporarily alleviate heartburn caused by acid reflux. Number 2, you can use baking soda as a deodorant. If you're looking for a deodorant that doesn't include any harmful chemical compounds, give baking soda a try. It is well known for its ability to absorb bad odors, so applying it under your arms can help neutralize any sweaty smell. Just make sure you test it out on your skin first to see how it reacts, because sometimes it can cause a rash. Try mixing a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of water. Don't dissolve it and just rub it in under your arm. Number 3, hairbrush cleaner. Baking soda can be used to clean brushes and combs, and it will ensure your hair stays healthy and free from any dirt. Remove any leftover hair tangled up in the needles of the comb. Using just baking soda and warm water paste, remove any leftover oil and product buildup on the brush or comb. The gritty baking soda will scrub off any buildup and leave your tools squeaky clean. Number 4, you can use baking soda for teeth whitening. Baking soda is already an active ingredient in many teeth whitening products. Its gritty texture helps to remove surface stains on your teeth so that they're brighter and whiter. Mix several teaspoons of baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice or water to make a paste. Wipe your teeth and any extra saliva off of them with a paper towel. Put a good amount of paste onto your toothbrush and apply. Leave the paste on for about 1 minute, then rinse so as to avoid the acid affecting the enamel, and then you can smile away. Number 5, use baking soda to clear drains. Vinegar and baking soda can clean drains because they react to one another when they are mixed. Baking soda is bicarbonate and vinegar is an acetic acid. The reaction of the vinegar and baking soda combined causes them to bubble quickly. This bubbling moves through the drain, cleaning dirt and debris from the walls of the drain. All you need to do is pour a pot of boiling hot water down your drain. Dump in about half a cup of baking soda and let that sit for a few minutes. Then pour a mixture of about 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of very hot water down on top of the baking soda. Cover with a drain plug to keep the reaction below the drain surface if you have one, and then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Flush one more time with a pot of boiling water and your drain should be squeaky clean. Number 6, you can use baking soda to deodorize sponges. If you can clean dirty sponges, you can use them longer. Simply soak them in baking soda in a water solution for a few hours to get rid of the gunk and the odours. And since it's natural, you don't have to worry about using the sponge on any eaten surfaces. Number 7, baking soda can clean the kitchen. Baking soda is very effective and a natural cleaner. Using some baking soda on a sponge or damp cloth will work great for removing stains on the kitchen worktop. It will also disinfect and deodorize a cutting board and remove food stuck on pots and pans. Number 8, you can use baking soda to get rid of pet urine. Pet urine is usually acidic, which plays a role in its ability to produce a foul-smelling odour. Baking soda chemically has the ability to neutralize acidic substances and make them more alkaline, eliminating the odours. Mix equal amounts of white vinegar and baking soda to create a runny paste. Apply the paste to the soiled carpet or furniture, let it sit for a few minutes, then sponge it off.